How to add custom sticker or emojis in messages on iOS 18. So there's a ton of messaging features that has been added on iOS 18, and this is one of it. So just open the Messages app. I'll just go to any random message right here. And as you can see, when I tap and hold, before this was just a grayed out emojis, and now it has colors and stuff right here. And what you can do, you could also add an emoji that you want. So before, there's nothing like that. So there's an option right now, so you just simply tap on the gray out emoji right there, or you could just simply swipe to the right till you reach the end right here and just tap on that gray emoji. And now you could add your own sticker or any emoji that you like. So let's say I want to add an emoji like this. As you can see, that emoji will automatically be added, and you could also do this with stickers if you want. So I'll just edit it out, and I'll say I want this sticker. As you can see, it will just automatically be added.